Imagine being able to peek into your customers' minds and know exactly what they're thinking and feeling. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, doesn't it? Not anymore. Today, we're talking about Neurons Inc., a company that makes this possible. Neurons Inc. leverages advanced neuroscience and AI to provide deep insights into consumer behavior. But how does that actually work? Neurons harnesses cutting-edge technologies like eye tracking and EEG to capture the subconscious and emotional reactions to advertising, product design, and more. Their methods are deeply rooted in cognitive neuroscience, machine learning, and psychology. At Neurons Inc., it's all about delving into the unconscious processes that play a critical role in decision-making in sales and marketing. Every day, consumers make choices grounded in the hidden recesses of the mind, decisions influenced by subtle cues and emotional resonances. Eye-tracking technologies allow us to literally see through the customer's eye, understanding where their attention is drawn. EEG, or electroencephalography, goes even deeper, capturing the brain's electrical activity to reveal reactions that would otherwise remain unseen. These subconscious reactions are pivotal indicators of buyer behavior, often more telling than what's shared in surveys or interviews. By providing these profound psychological insights, Neurons uncovers the true motives behind consumer decisions. This opens up opportunities for businesses to refine their approaches and develop a genuine understanding of what moves their audience. With Neurons, the guesswork is removed from marketing, paving the way for strategies built on solid neuroscientific evidence. Let's take a look at some concrete examples. Google, a titan in the tech world, uses Neurons to fine-tune the effectiveness of its advertising campaigns. They analyze how users react to different advertising elements to refine ad design and maximize user engagement. Facebook, another behemoth in the digital space, employs Neurons to gain deeper insights into user interactions. They explore which types of content evoke the strongest emotional responses and adjust their strategies accordingly. H&M, known for their fashionable offerings, leverages Neurons to better understand how their fashion resonates with the audience. By analyzing customer reactions, they can predict trends and optimize their designs. IKEA, the globally renowned furniture retailer, uses Neurons to enhance their customers' shopping experience. They investigate how customers react to different store layouts and product placements to make their stores and products more appealing. And finally, TikTok, the leading platform for short-form videos, utilizes Neurons to gauge the impact of their content. They examine which types of videos trigger the strongest user reactions and use these insights to tweak their algorithms for higher user engagement. But it's not just the giants that benefit from Neurons. Smaller companies also reap the rewards. From optimizing web designs to enhancing product packaging, the applications are diverse. In a world where data reigns supreme, Neurons Inc. offers the key to unlocking the complex realm of consumer psychology. It's more than just a tool, it's a window into the human mind. So the next time you're planning a campaign, remember this. With Neurons, you could already be a step ahead. Thank you for watching. For even more videos about AI and tools, subscribe to this channel and hit the like button.